Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Eric Smith, and today I'd like to show you a latch upgrade for these gray storage box systems. If you have a Fleetwood pop-up camper that has a gray storage box like the one behind me, you may have already had a problem with one of these latches. A common fail point is the top. Behind here, there's supposed to be a thin pin that the latch grabs onto. The plastic housing where this pin sits is minimal at best, and they have a tendency to break. So, if you need a new latch, or you notice that yours is cracking, got you covered. Well, we spent the time and took a look and tried a bunch of different latch systems and have come up with a very good solution. It's gonna last longer, it's a lot less expensive than these were, and it's easier to install. Let me show you how to do it. Now we're going to take the top keeper portion of the latch and use this as a template. So we're going to mark the bottom mounting holes by positioning this just between the two lowest holes where the old latch was. Mark those, and in between the top two holes, right there and there. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, we'll pilot these two holes. And now install the top latch bracket. You can find this latch and the installation kits available at our web store at colemanpopupparts.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you already haven't, ring the notification bell, and I'll see you at the campground.